how to open and use the measure and leveling tool on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on Add a control. Now in here, we scroll down to the Measure section. Then you can tap on Measure or Level. So tap on that widget to get added to the control center. Here, tap on Add a control again. Then scroll down and then tap on Level. Next, we swipe up to go back to the control center. Now you can see that I have added the control in here twice. So if you have added more than once, you can simply remove them to avoid duplication. Alright, so while you're in the control center, if you would like to use the measure tool, just tap on that. Now within the app, you can also switch across between level and measure. So for measuring, we can point your camera at one end. So let's say we want to measure from the left to the right. So I'm pointing at this corner, and then move your phone to the other side and then tap on the Add button. And the further away you are from the subject, the more accurate it is, but not too far away. You need to be at the correct distance. If you are too close, then obviously it will be hard to measure. So make sure you're at the approximate correct distance to perform the measurement. And so here we can measure at the top, down. So here I can measure at the top and then down. So we can measure the width as well. So 3.5 inch by 6.5 inch for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that is the measurement. So here it keeps us a record, so we can copy it to the clipboard, or we can clear out measurement history. Now the other tool to use is the leveling tool. So you can place your phone on a flat surface, and this will give you an indication if the surface is nice and flat or not. Now this is a little bit off, so I'm going to close it and restart my tool. So here, so it's at 2%, 2 degrees off, because the font has this camera, it's bulging up, so that's why it's causing the 2% or the 2 degree minus 2 degree. So here, if I move up a little bit, you can see this is nice and level. And if I move that way, it gives me a positive or a negative degree. Okay, so that is how you can measure an object and how you can use the leveling tool. So the idea is to have it 0 degree. That means you are nice and level. You can also measure this way. So if it's an angle, if it's tilt an angle, it will show you. So here is nice and flat. If it's tilt, then you can tell the difference. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.